The Floor Pro community has been going since 2006, May 2006. That's 13 years. So for the last 13 days, we've been celebrating the 13-13-13 giveaway, where we're giving away prizes from some great sponsors to members who've participated recently. So today is the 13th day, the 13th drawing, and the 13th member will get a prize. And I have the hat full of names here. Same hat that I've been using, one of the prizes. And so I'm going to draw the 13th name, the lucky 13. Let me see who it is. Arminio Gomes, something like that. Congratulations, you're number 13. And I want to thank Tools for Flooring, which has been one of our sponsors. Another one of our sponsors is ProKnee. They gave away 3 great prizes. Those are all gone now. So is ProKnees. So is Tools for Flooring. They're bundled prizes. Leather tool pouch, the leather knee pads, and the knit cap. That's gone. ProKnee gave away 1 set of custom knee pads and 2 sets of their all-purpose knee pads. And excuse me, Johnny Corners, John Hoskinson is the owner of Johnny Corners, and he's been really generous in giving us 3 kits to give away, and those are trapdoor trims, access panel trims. This is a product that I wish would have been around when I was installing. Would have made jobs so much easier and so much more attractive. A really nice looking trapdoor trim. And unfortunately, we haven't given any of those away. I know that there's only been 12 winners so far, 13 counting today. And trapdoors, you can't find trapdoors and access panels in every part of the country. A lot of people use concrete slab construction, and of course there's no trapdoor in a concrete slab. But suspended wood floors like I have in Plumas County where I live, they're everywhere. It's actually pretty rare to see concrete slab construction, although I'm living in a concrete slab apartment. I'm sorry. Some days my health is a little better than others, and today I can hardly even talk, so I'm going to keep this short. Thanks to all the members of the Floor Pro community for participating for all these 13 years. Thanks to all the regular members that keep coming back every day, answering questions, and networking with each other to help each other create better businesses and more profits and higher skills. Thanks again to Arminio. Let me know which prize you want. There's still some available because some of the winners haven't picked their prizes yet. So you still have some choices to make. Okay, that's it. I hope we have another contest sometime soon, but not too soon, especially not 13 days long. All right, that's all I can do.